Hi, I'm Zoya Gorbacheva, the president and founder of Wesden eDiscovery. Today, I want to share my biased opinion as to who will be the best eDiscovery project manager in an industry that is going to be $18 billion dollar value in a couple of years. A lot of us are forced into the position, not necessarily, like I said, forced voluntarily, but once we start doing it, a lot of us just love it. I've seen many different paths, and my favorite one would be a law clerk who has an understanding of legal procedures, not exactly law, but legal procedures, and how statement of claim turns into preparation of affidavit of documents and further prepares a production set deliverable to the court and the opposing counsel. You don't need to be a lawyer to prepare the best production set and make the most compelling set of evidence. You do need a lawyer to tell you what needs to be in the set. But sometimes being a lawyer makes people see things differently. In my personal experience, I see that lawyers who become project managers overanalyze the content of the production. And that's just what it is. As a project manager, you don't need to read the evidence. You need to understand whether it fits the specifications. Another team, legal team of trained lawyers who are very familiar with issues at case, they're the ones who should be feeding information into the production set. But as a project manager, we see the big picture. And sometimes understanding the law can handicap us. So the way I see it, law clerk training can be done in parallel as you are already working in the law firm or in the law department. It is a lot easier to start right after school and engage in basic legal operations, sometimes copying, other times tagging documents in a database for confidentiality, or applying redaction patches on PDFs. As you're doing these minor tasks, you're gaining understanding of the technology and learn how to work with different groups of people, because lawyers speak differently and legal assistants speak differently. Businessmen don't even use legal jargon, but we are all working towards the same goal. I've seen IT technicians converting to eDiscovery specialists, also an interesting path. And those people have great technical background, but sometimes would be lacking soft skills. If I had a magic wand, I would put these three groups of people on a team and create an environment to have the technical, legal, and big picture, solid understanding of people work together. But if you don't have that ability, you don't have the budget or time, and if you're selecting the candidate who should be taken on board and you only have one vacancy, I would prefer a law clerk. Now, there is a new movement in Canada called certification in eDiscovery specialist, and it just got rolled out. As a matter of fact, beta testing exams haven't even started. So there is no, at the moment, there is no officially CEDS certified Canadian representative in Canada. But it's going to be by the end of the summer, definitely in September. And if you have any interest in joining eDiscovery team, find a way, find the money, find a sponsor to participate in these trainings and exam testing, because what a great way to understand if you even like it. If this is not for you, don't spend your money and time here. Go find your passion somewhere else. I found mine. I love it. I've been doing it for 20 years. I can't give this up.